Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger stories not uploading. To know how to fix or how to solve stories not uploading, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to Messenger app. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage and you will enter. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. You'll find here update and you can click update to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.